haven't glanced at a computer or a TV, you might think the world economy is all doom and gloom. It isn't great. The price of oil is down, and so is the stock market. But in the short term, that may not be such a bad thing. Alyssa Carpenter explains.
Joshua Peters is mapping out his own future, literally one map at a time.
So I draw maps. I draw artistic maps.
Peters just left his job in the secure banking industry to pursue his art as an entrepreneur. It's tough at any time, and yes, he has seen the financial red flags, but sought online investors anyway.
There's been great support. My Kickstarter campaign is just about at 200%, so that means it's funded, it's ready to go, and it's only half over, so there's clearly a lot of interest.
While Peters draws out his future, other Calgarians are unsure of their own. Calgary is Canada's oil and gas headquarters, and slumping energy has many here nervous.
This isn't the world falling apart. People will maybe get a little bit of relief at the pumps.
Lever says the market is doing what it's supposed to do, correcting based on supply and demand. It means we may all see a bit of financial relief.
Because if people spend less money on fuel, well, the grocery prices get reflected, your holidays are cheaper, it reflects on goods and services.
Lever says the price would have to drop even further and stay there before Albertans would need to worry about losing their jobs. The stock market has also taken a big hit in all sectors, but oil and gas makes up a third of the Canadian markets. That leaves many here wondering what to do now. This investment advisor says diversity is key.
If you have too much in one area, then the portfolio is probably going to get hit more. So you want to make sure that you are sort of diversified in many different sectors.
Joshua Peters says for him, the only secure investment he's making is the one in himself.
And Alyssa joins us now live. So Alyssa, one sure investment in Calgary and surrounding area, always real estate.
That's right, Tara. The housing market is still hot. In fact, the third quarter results are in, and it shows that on average, housing prices are up about 11%. That's nearly twice the increase that was seen across the rest of the country. Now, the average price of an apartment-style condo hovers around $300,000. An average bungalow in this city about $515,000. And again, if you compared the same size and vintage home in other cities, it would cost about $400,000. It's not just Calgary proper. Work is also being done now on a $39 million condo project in Canmore. In other surrounding communities, Airdrie, Strathmore, Cochrane, and Okotoks, they have no trouble selling homes there as well, despite, Tara, the fact that our homes are selling at higher than the national average.
All right, Alyssa, thank you. We'd like to know if you're worried about your retirement nest egg right now. You can tell us online at calgary.ctvnews.ca.
This is CTV News.